Hi, it's Veronica here today, and I'm here to talk about the silicone bundt pan, and I use it for my lemon pound cakes, but you can use it for whatever you like. It's really easy to clean. It's easy to get your cake out of here. I've had bad experiences with other bundt pans where, I've gone through all this hard work and then my cake ends up getting stuck in the pan, but this thing is phenomenal, and I can't say enough good things about it. I highly recommend it. The price point is wonderful. If you love to bake, or if you know someone that loves to bake, this would also be a great gift option as well. It's a 9-inch pan, and it is non-stick. So if I didn't make that clear enough, that it's silicone, but it is also non-stick, and it is BPA free. And you don't have to worry about this melting in the oven. I've had really great results with it.